Now I go through some conventional questions. Question 2, ask you the compass bearing of P from Q, that is from this point. Okay, the compass bearing starts from N, north or south. Okay, so you see that you are going to find out this angle. Okay, this angle X, you find that X is 70 degrees, therefore it is north 70 degrees west. This is west, this is west. Okay, very simple if you know what is compass bearing. Some students did not leave it blank because they don't know what is compass bearing. Okay, and for this question, okay, very simple. You are going to find out the height of the building, that is h. Okay, h. So some students find out that this part, okay, and they forget to add back 1.6. Okay, to add back 1.6. So I suggest that if you let h, you may say tangent 75 degrees equals to h minus 1.6. That is this height is h minus 1.6. Okay, over OA, that is 30. Okay, then you can find out that h is 113.6. Okay, using your calculator. Make sure that you write the unit. Okay, you write the unit. Many students did not write the unit, but they will see that in the common questions, even they write the unit, but 1 mark will be deducted. Why? I will tell you why. Yes, let's see. For this question, we should know that what is DE. This is the perpendicular bisector, so you can draw this one is perpendicular and this one is equals to this one, 4 and 4. Okay, so whenever you want to say that it is 90 degrees, you have to write perpendicular bisector. 4 and 4 perpendicular bisector. Okay, so you find out that, and what's more is AD is common. Okay, this, okay, and this 4 common and right angle. Okay, I put a tick here. So for two triangles which are congruent with this condition, it is not SS, it is R, H, and S. Okay, R, H, and S. Okay, not SAS. Okay, not SAS, because SAS is the third line, it's not the hypotenuse. Okay, so I would like to see RHS, and these two are equal because corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And now we see question 6. Very simple again. Most students know that they use Pythagoras theorem to find out that which is 50. Okay, but why you can use Pythagoras theorem? Some students can master the skills that to point out that it is 90 degrees because it is property of rectangle. Okay, if know this step, 1 mark will be deducted. And then you are going to find out PNS. This, you know, this is 40. Okay, and these two sides adding up together is, I transform this side, I can move this side here, so this is this line. Okay, that is 50. Why? Because it is property of rectangle. This 50 is property of rectangle. You can combine this. Okay, you have to show people this step. And then question 7, if you understand, then it is very easy. You are going to find out the inclination, that is the angle theta. Okay, angle theta. So you let the tangent theta equals to 100. Where, what is 100? QR, here the distance from 250 to 150 is 100. Okay, and this one measured 2.5 cm times this one 500. Then you can find out that the angle is 11.3. And then which one PQ is steeper or QR. You just compare. Here you see that the gradient is 1/5. You just compare 1/5 with 1/3. You see that 1/3 is greater. Then the greater the gradient, the steeper the slope. Okay, so PQ is steeper. Some students, I don't know why, they just write 5 is greater than 3. I do understand what they are doing, but this is not good because you are going to compare the gradients. Okay, compare the gradients. Okay, and for this question, most students can find out the answer is 2.5 and 14, but they add cm. Let's see if they add this one. For example, this one S is 14, but if you say that S is 14 cm, then this length is 14 cm, which is of course wrong because there's one more cm. So S is 14 only. S is 14 only. Okay, and then you are going to say that P equals to Q because this is intercept theorem. This one equal parallel intercept theorem. And then you say that you're going to use midpoint theorem, but you have to use intercept theorem first to show that these two lines AJ equals to JE. Okay, then you can use a midpoint theorem. Okay, you can use midpoint theorem. Once you know that this is the midpoint, you can use midpoint theorem to find out that S equals to 14. And the last question is question 9. Find the value of x. Very simple. But this is only a quadrilateral. You cannot say that it is a parallelogram. Okay, so you don't know whether it is a parallelogram, and part B asks you to prove it. So you can use just interior angles of a polygon, which is 360 degrees. Then final x is 75 degrees, and therefore this angle, you put it back, is 100 degrees, which is equals to this one, and this one is 80 degrees. This one is also 80 degrees. So opposite angles equal. The value of y is very simple. Okay, just opposite property of parallel.